So today I will show you how you can use Sora, the image creation platform, really easy, and use specific prompts and make insane images. So first of all, here is the website sora.chatgpt.com. The link is in the description. The first thing, you will have to pay $20 a month to use this, but this is worth it. At least try it for a 1 month or 24 hours. I think you can get a refund if you use it for a few hours and just write them that you don't want to use it if you don't like it. But here, first of all, here is the main page. When you pay $20 a month, here is what you will see. You basically just scroll down and you will see all these amazing creations. And these are just created by AI. There are different prompts. And the best part about this is that, for example, you just scroll down and you go to this image. You will see an actual prompt that was used to make this image. And this is insane. You can basically just copy. You can change something. So, for example, I will edit this prompt, or I will remix. So upload from device. I will put my face in this image. So change the robot with me sitting and playing the NES. So let's make two variations, two images, and let's remix. Also, you can create a video from this robot. I will actually do it. So let's go back and create a video. I will make one for 480p, low quality, but it will make it faster. So yeah, let's hope it will be fast because it takes time. The image is already being created. And the best part is that, again, you can just scroll down. You can see all the prompts. Here, you can switch to images only, where you can see images. Images are much better than videos, obviously, much more precise. If you are a celebrity, like here you can see Cristiano Ronaldo or Cat, or here you can see Trump, some popes. If you're a celebrity, obviously, your image will be much better. Here you can see the Indian president, Modi, I think that's his name. But if you're not a celebrity, it will be, if you upload your face, it will make it like 80%, 90% close. And your lookalike will be looking almost perfect. 80, 90% great. Not perfect. I think next update in 6 months or 1 year, I think they will actually nail it, and soon AI will be able to replicate your face one-on-one. But obviously, it will take some time because, for videos, it will take much more time. So let's check my picture. So here, it looks like 70% me. Here is the second image. Let's hope it looks better. So both images look quite weird, but it looks a little bit like me. 60, 70%. I think if I remix and if I create a one variation, it will basically make it better. So let's check it. About the video. So it created the video as well. So yeah, the video is funky, not that good. Sometimes it creates an actual great videos. I think here it didn't understand the whole image, so it created something that it wanted. Sometimes the videos are quite insane. So yeah, that's basically how you can use it. You can go to videos, or you can create a video from all of these images. Here you can see create a video. You can edit the prompt. You can add something to if you want to see something else in the video, or if the Teletubby is moving his hand or his head, or these people are running or being sad, you can edit all the prompts for videos and for images, again, which is insane. You can see the top creations that are liked. You can see 1.8 thousand likes, 2.3 thousand likes, and just scroll. This looks insane. The video, crazy. And yeah, you can basically scroll down your whole day. and you will be impressed by what this AI generator can do. I know there are many other image generation tools, but OpenAI is the biggest one. I don't know if it's the best one, but I think in 1 year it will be the best one, because yeah, here you can see. Only I think ChatGPT came out in 2023 or late 2022, and it has been only 2 years, and it is insane. The first year of the images, it looked like garbage. Right now, it looks insane. So yeah, basically that's what you can do. You can sort by all time. Here you can see all time best images. So P Diddy, Trump, wolf in a sheep's clothing, grapes in a square shape. This rabbit looks, I mean, insane. Elon Musk, Donald Trump. So yeah, again, you can scroll. You can even search what you want. For example, let's search, I don't know, Trump. And you will see all the images and videos created from using Trump. You can see using Putin. And yeah, he's dancing, doing everything. And yeah, this only costs $20 a month. Why I would suggest you to try it is because AI is here to stay. You want to learn, you want to know about this stuff, because every company will be using AI. If they are not using yet, the schools are using. If you're doing your homework for school, you are most likely using AI. And again, most people don't know about this. Most people don't know that you can just click on image, copy, paste, or edit this prompt, use your own face, and create images. And if you're paying $20 for Sora, you automatically can use ChatGPT. The best version, 03, came out 10 days ago, basically plus version. So you basically can use this as well, which is immensely helpful. And you can create images, you can create videos. So yeah, that's basically me explaining you this basically tool. I haven't seen anyone explain it easily. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get a notification and you don't miss out on AI alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.